Philippine prisons, where murderers, drug dealers, gang members, and people who haven't been convicted yet
He's innocent.
all share the same cell and wear the same uniform. What's going on here?
My campaign against drugs will not stop.
Today, we're going inside two of the most notorious and overcrowded prisons. The first is in the far south, in Cotabato. Then we'll travel to Cebu, home to the largest prison in the country. Stay until the end of the video because we'll spend a night experiencing life inside a prison cell. We're starting here at the first prison in the far south of the Philippines, in the city of Cotabato. This prison once stood among the most dangerous and overcrowded in the country. 4 years ago, efforts began to reform it, and today I've come to see the reality for myself. This is the toughest and most intimidating section.
Paso mo din oh, pading. Assorted murder, drugs, rape.
Okay, how many people used to be here before?
30.
30? What is your crime?
Okay.
You kill who? So when you enter
Side.
it's okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here are like Muslim and Christian together?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Winner takes it all.
Okay.
Sukran, sir.
Kita. Dapat mag-participate.
Read.
But it's not true. It's not true.
You are innocent?
Yeah. 6 years old. Dalawa kami.
Is 68 years old and accused of raping a 6-year-old child, but the court has not yet convicted him. Many inmates here have spent years behind bars while still waiting for trial.
He really refused they were innocent. The case is still on trial.
The case in trial.
Yeah.
He says the judge is still waiting for evidence.
He's already 68 years old.
How old is he?
80 years old. This case,
This man is the oldest inmate here. He is 80 years old. He says he's accused of rape, but the charge has not been proven. An accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty.
You still in trial?
But why are trials taking so long? And what caused this sudden prison overcrowding? In 2016, when the Philippines launched its war on drugs, the country experienced one of the largest waves of arrests in its modern history.
Until the last pusher and the last drug lord are...
By the end of 2017, the number of detainees had exceeded 75,000 people.
If you destroy our young children, I will kill you.
Leading to severe prison overcrowding and immense pressure on the justice system. Eventually, Philippine prisons became the most overcrowded in the world. This is Cebu City. This is the second prison on our journey. Located in Cebu, the Philippines' second largest city after Manila. Let's see what's it like inside. Look at how the inmates around us are watching in every direction. Now we're entering the women's section. Why is the women's prison always cleaner?
Can I come?
This is one of the inmates.
How many years?
Coming 9.
What did you do?
Drugs.
She's still waiting the judge.
She's still waiting for her trial too.
No, she's been here for 9 years already?
9 years.
Already? How do you feel?
No, lonely.
Lonely?
Yes.
So do you want to go out? Are you crying?
Almost. I miss my two kids, my daughter.
9 years no see? You are innocent?
Most of them say the justice system here is unfair because they were arrested during the anti-drug campaign and all thrown into prison together. As a result, some people still haven't had a trial after 8 or even 9 years. At the same time, there are prisoners who committed real crimes and either deny them or refuse to admit guilt.
That's why I'm keeping it safe.
Let's see how they feel, so you can appreciate the blessing of freedom. Okay, I'm inside the cell now, it's nighttime. What a cramped place, what is this smell? These are real stories. Real people who made decisions that changed their lives forever. You don't truly value something until you lose it. 1 second can change everything. The taste of freedom. Thank God.